Struggling with temperature sensor welding? TATE has the solution. Are you facing inconsistent weld quality, wire breakage, or high defect rates in your temperature sensor production? Do traditional welding methods cause overheating, welds, affecting sensor accuracy and reliability? These challenges lead to unstable resistance values, increased scrap rates, and rising production costs, directly impacting your efficiency and profitability. At TATE, we understand these struggles. That's why we developed the industry's most advanced resistance spot welding machine, specifically engineered for Pt100, Ntc, Pt200, and Pt1000 sensors. Why leading sensor manufacturers choose TATE. Universal compatibility. One machine for all temperature sensor types, eliminating the need for multiple welding systems. Unmatched precision. Ensures stable resistance values without overheating, preserving the integrity of platinum, copper, and nickel wires. Zero defect welding. Advanced energy control prevents overwelding, ensuring strong, consistent bonds with minimal material stress. Boosts production efficiency. High speed, highly stable welding reduces defects, increases yield, and optimizes costs. Trusted by industry leaders, the world's top temperature sensor manufacturers rely on TATE for high-quality, high-efficiency welding. Shash your welding problems solved. Poor weld consistency? Our precise energy control guarantees repeatable, high-quality results. Wire breakage due to excessive heat? TATE's advanced technology prevents material damage. High production costs? Reduce waste, improve efficiency, and increase profitability. Get in touch today. Upgrade your sensor manufacturing process with TATE, the global leader in precision welding solutions. Tell WhatsApp 86130665065. Email info@oktate.com. Take your production to the next level. Contact us now.